Swimming around a goldfish bowl, mostly cause I got nowhere to go. By the castle like a council block, thinking about what I ain't got. Looking down at the colourful stones, this place I call home. I know everyone round here, even though they never speak out of fear. Yeah, it's easy to find my way home, cause when you live in a bowl, you always come when you go. And all the fishes say higher, you can't swim higher, you can't swim higher, but you'll never swim out of here. Higher, you can't swim higher, you can't swim higher, but you'll never swim out of here. Looking around at the world I have seen, it's not much like a magazine. Even though the sky is blue, those photo shoots just don't seem true, but I like to read